welcome to my channel. Hi Johnny boy.
Good morning, everyone.
Guys, today is Monday, the 21st of February. Today, guys, our borders is open. International borders.
Yay.
Today is the start. Anyway, I'm vlogging today because my order from Amazon arrived. The cleaning kit for the printer. I will try to clean it today, and a camera accessories. We'll open the cleaning kit first, guys. Here is a very big bag. It's only little in it. Let's open it. It's a bubble wrap in it, Jenny. Yeah, it arrived today. Yeah. Ta-da! Here it is, guys. What?
Oh.
Where is the...
Not inside.
What? Are you sure it fit in
No,
there?
what's it say is in it? Hope it's not just a bottle.
Oh, it is. It's good. Oh, I thought it's only a bottle, guys. There is it. A bottle and a syringe and a tube where you put the nozzle. See that, guys? Charan. This is $26 plus shipping, $8. Very expensive. And the estimated date to arrive is on the 25th, and today is 21st. Very good.
So that's good.
Very good. And Johnny will read about it.
Read the instructions.
Yes. Okay, let's open the camera accessories, guys. Here, very small. This one is the
20.
for my tripod.
Instructions.
The arrival of this parcel is estimated on March, first week of March, and it arrived today. The same as that one. And very good, Amazon. This is the Black L bracket, the one that you put on your tripod, guys, and put on top of yung lagyan sa camera ba para di na magtang-tang-tang magbutang og battery. Kapoy in English. Let's open it. Is it good?
This is must be the right size to fit onto the...
Yeah, must be.
Yeah. I assume.
We'll see. I will clean the printer today, guys. I will show it to you. Oh, we have Allen key. Is this Allen key? Done?
Allen key, yeah.
Allen key. That's Allen key in the Philippines. So this is it, guys. A bracket. Yeah, like that. You connect this to your tripod, and then the camera on top, and then you can easily open the battery case in there, that you don't need to remove the camera every time you do it. It's so annoying. We'll see if it works. So I will try it, guys, and I will show you. So ayan na, guys, nalagay ko na. So ilalagay ko yung camera in here. Hirap pag nagunit og kuan, guys. I'm using my phone at the moment. So dyan ilagay. Oh, so I think you put the camera first and then connect it to the tripod. So I'll do it again, guys. So kaya pala may Allen key, guys, kasi unahin nito paglagay before connected it to lisod, guys. Lisod. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo kung tapos na. So guys, nalagay ko na. Let's open it. Yeah, you can open it and take the battery out. But I try it to the tripod, guys. It's a bit short. It doesn't open until here because of this.
Is it working?
So guys, nalagay ko na ito. Open it, darling. What? Hold this. Hold it like that. See? If you open this, guys, it doesn't open straight because of the...
Yeah, well, that's easily fixed.
How will you fix it?
That's on. Oh.
Yeah. Like that.
Just turn it through 90 degrees.
Wow, Johnny, very smart, guys.
Oh, you just push this down?
No, it needs
Oh,
to
it's got a
be
button.
slide like that.
Yeah, just turn it through 90 degrees.
Wow, Johnny, very smart. Stupid Mary Ann. Very good, Johnny boy. Ito pala, guys, is
Marianne, go to the bottom of the class.
$18 with I think $1 shipping fee for this one. Cheap one.
That was cheap.
Yeah, it's cheap. That's why I get it. Tapos na tayo dito sa accessory sa camera, guys. And Johnny solved my problem again. Johnny always solved my problem. And Johnny's been reading about this cleaning kit.
You got to do it 3 times,
Three
you don't
times?
have to try it. If it comes good after one time.
I will try one time. Now, guys, we need to put the solution on
70 degrees.
hot water. For how long, darling? For
It
how?
doesn't say how long to put it in there for, but you've got to bring it up to about 60 degrees Celsius. This is 70, we'll do it drop a little bit.
Yeah.
So you put that in there for 5 or 10 minutes, and then I can check the temperature through this.
Okay.
Like with this will tell me the temperature.
Darling, guys, we have temperature check. Put it in your forehead, Johnny boy. So we need to put that.
This will be around temperature. 28 degrees.
28 degrees.
We'll pop it in there for 5 minutes, and then I'll pull it out and do a temperature check on it.
Okay. So guys, while naghulat sa
You've got to do your blotting paper trick.
too big,
No.
I will prepare the printer. I will put it out here to make it easy. The printer.
I'll continue to work on the temperature.
Okay. Guys, the office of Johnny Boy is very messy. Here it is, my printer. Oh god, this is heavy, guys. My god. Oh my goodness, nipil it. Nipil it. Goodness. Di maibot nipil it, guys. Na, buba. Oh, that's better. guys, sayang kaayo og di siya maayo, but I think we have it for 4 to 5 years. So tanggapin na lang natin na pag hindi ito maaayo. So dusty. Dusty. At kailangan natin ng paper towel guys, yung ilagay mo sa ilalim ng nozzle para doon pupunta yung mga ink. So lagyan natin ng paper towel. Tapos ito yung lagyan sa liquid. Ito ilagay sa nozzle, then i-push mo yung liquid out. So we'll just wait for Johnny Boy. Oh, I need a cling wrap guys, because we will wrap the cartridges with cling wrap para hindi sila mag-dry up. So guys, let's prepare the printer. We need to turn this on first. Tapos, pag ma-on na siya guys, let's pretend na mag-photocopy tayo para yung cartridges there, ma-release siya sa, malak mangguna siya guys kung dili nimo i-print. So, para ma-release, para ma-move nimo siya, atong i-pretend nga mag-photocopy. Kung copy na siya guys, imong i-full boot sa kuryente para mo-stop. Okay, let's copy. So it's moving now. Then let's full boot this. Okay, not nibangga. And then let's open this guys if ka-move ba siya. If this one moving, yeah, this one is moving guys. Then I prepare this paper towel. I put this in the bottom. Kita nyo guys, lagay ko dito sa ilalim ng tulay. Tapos, let's prepare a cling wrap para i-wrap natin ang cartridge. Nakita ko lang to sa YouTube guys kung paano nila ginawa. So, we'll remove the cartridges. So, yan guys, naka-wrap. Tapos, yung black, ilain natin ang black guys kasi ang laki ng black. Yeah, I'm ready. I'll just double wrap the black guys. I'm worried about them drying out. Wait! Yan, putos. Tapos, i-close na. At i-open like that. So that's ready, Johnny boy?
Yeah. Oh, you're not ready. You haven't taken the cartridges out yet.
It's out. Where is this one fit?
Oh, okay. Yeah, just double check. Because you're going to have to push down.
So dark here. Yeah.
It's okay. What's that?
The ink.
Just push down and
Yeah.
make sure it holds seal. You might have to hold it on it as you inject it.
Yeah.
Because because as you put pressure on this, it's going to want to pop off.
Yeah, but you just need to push it slowly.
Yeah, but that could come off easily. You might need to keep your pressure on it, but anyway, here it is. And you want 4 mils, draw up 4 mils. There you go. Hold this way. Yeah. It doesn't matter exactly. A little bit under because you'll have a bit in the tube.
4?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. A little bit over. Put your finger on the bottom of it. Oh, it holds okay. All right.
Can you put the light?
Yeah. Is that better?
Yeah.
Just ever so gently, they said. Don't stress it.
Is it coming there?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it must be going into the thing. Good.
That was easy.
Take next one. It's good having it fit on like that.
So it's bleeding down there now.
Oh, well, that's good, I guess. Means it's going through, it can't be totally blocked.
Yeah. It's not really hard.
That's good, that means it's not totally blocked, which is great. Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at all the colours coming.
Yeah. So I just need to clean it up and put the cartridge back. Kita nyo guys, so nag-bleeding na si cartridge sa ilisan ko. See? Oh, I need to wear mag-glove ko guys para dili messy. Yeah. So guys, ito na oh. Nag-bleeding. Yan. Ilagay natin. Try out. So I will put the ink back. Bago pa ito mag-dry.
Got multicolours coming through.
So we'll see guys.
So now do you do a run straight away?
Yeah.
Okay.
Check it. Check it. Check it. So we'll check it guys.
But they say that you might need a few goes at it because it's got to work the fluid through some damn thing.
Yeah, I will just close this do the bloody thing. So we'll try it.
I said make sure that none of the colours are less than 50%.
God, Johnny, you're making me nervous.
I'm only saying what the instructions said.
Put the cord back again, guys. It's on because it's on man ni siya ganina. Wa man jud ni siya napalong. So mag-test run tayo guys, i-print natin.
This is exciting, Johnny. I'm glad it fitted on. That was a big win. It's the right one.
It is for it.
Yeah.
It's for the printer. Printer is working something.
What's this now? Clean or a print?
Oh, it's turning on. It's doing the thing inside.
Very scary.
Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. Oh, printed nozzle may be like running the nozzle check. Okay, we'll do the check. Nozzle check before. So, print status. Nozzle check maintenance, guys. Print nozzles check. Wow. It's not clear, guys. It should be clear. Put this back. We'll use it again. We'll reuse this thing. So, we'll clean the print head. Of all colors. It's cleaning itself, guys. We'll see what the result for that. I'll get back to you later because it will take time. So guys, tapos na nag-clean itself. Mag-print na naman tayo ng nozzle print. Oh, the yellow. Look at that, guys. The colored is back.
Oh.
But the black is not back.
Show me the colours. That looks good.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's great. Oh. Where's Black?
Black is...
Mr. Black didn't come back.
Didn't come back, Mr. Black.
Wow, the colours, they're beautiful.
Maybe we can clean the black again.
There's no sign, nothing on Black, is there?
It's just very faded.
Colours are good.
Maybe I will clean again one more time.
Do you know which is the black one? Which one? Oh, the nozzle.
Yeah.
Well, I wouldn't touch them for sure. I'd leave them alone now.
Yeah, just the black.
Why did Black go so bad?
So I will try to clean it again, guys, for
Just
the
black.
Just the black.
Oh, you mean run through on that?
Cleaning. Cleaning again. Or we'll just clean the black again.
I think we'll clean the black with the liquid.
Okay. We'll clean the black with the liquid again, guys. So guys, we did it. It's fixed. This was the nozzle check of the first cleaning. Dito guys, wala talagang black. Tapos dito merong konti. And then when I keep printing the black, I print in here. Wala siya, hindi masyadong makita, guys. So I keep printing and then they become like this. Become like this. And then become like this. Yung black na klaro na din, guys. And then nagprint din kami ng colored. May kulay na, guys. Yan, bumalik na ang kulay. Naayos na, guys. We don't need to buy new printer. And this is the final check. So the black is back. and the colored. Oh, so it's back. I'm just printing the bills of the post office. And the color is back. I can see red in it. So Johnny boys, it worked.
Yep, saved myself $180 on a new printer. But you can't get them anyway, no one's got any.
Yeah.
Oh, is that finished? Still going.
Still going.
Yeah.
So,
what a great little machine. I knew you could do it. But always remember one thing. Behind every successful woman there is a man.
Well, when Johnny nearly buy the printer, guys. So wait, I need to clean the printer first.
Oh, you're wasting money buying a cleaning kit. Just buy the printer.
I don't want to give up my printer, guys.
But there's only the fact no one's got any printers. We had to persevere with the cleaning kit. Wow, look at that.
It's red.
Look at this.
It's colored. It's very
Happy days are here again. The skies are blue and here again.
So where is the cleaning kit, darling? It worked.
I just sold it to a black fella for $50. He wants to clean his printer. Yeah.
So it's for, we will save the cleaning kit,
Oh,
guys.
save it again.
Yeah, so we know.
We've got to use this every day now.
Yeah.
And when we go away on holidays, we've got to take it with us.
So
Right.
guys, if you have printer, run it every day so that it will not dry up.
That's what they've told us.
Yeah, so it will not clog up.
Which means take it away on holidays with you too.
But there is a cleaning kit you can use. So we're happy. Happy days.
Happy days are here again. The skies are orange.
You're happy? I just print you a bill.
Oh, that's all right. Before I didn't have a bill because it was in my phone. I couldn't print it out.
So we're done. Happy days. So ibalik ko na siya. Ilagay ko dyan ulit, guys. I will put
All
it back.
good, man.
All good. Happy days. So now, guys, I'll put this back where it belongs. Where it belongs. I will turn this off first. Turning off. And then we put this rag in here, guys, para walang makapasok na insekto. No one will get in there. Gecko. Put it back.
Well, listen, this one.
How about that one?
Yeah, this has got blue, green, and red, and
Yeah,
yellow.
the back, darling. That one. Too much?
All right, we mustn't lose it because this is proof that I paid this bill.
Yeah, we just leave it in here.
And then it prints the black and white. It's got all the colours, as you said, blue. Or what's the colours in there?
Yellow, blue, and red.
Yellow, blue, and red. How's it make green?
It's back there. It's
Look at
covered.
which colour? Like there's your yellow, red, green.
Yeah.
Green again. There's.
Yeah, it should be a red mixed with yellow, this one. I think.
But there's no blue.
Blue?
Have you got blue there? No.
No, but darling, it will make something to make it green.
Okay. Alright, let's put that one. Do that one. We know that will make it run each time. Oh, whoopee-doo, darling. Whoopee-doo.
That's it, guys.
Got to use it every day.
My printer is fixed. Whoopie-doo!
Yes, and it is becoming very boring.
I'm happy. Happy days.
She's totally mad, you know.
I'm happy because I fixed it, Johnny boy.
Ah, don't forget, behind every successful woman there's a man.
So guys, yun na yung video natin. Cleaning the printer. Ito pa, nag-work to siya guys. Ito ang pangalan niya. How to read that? Yan. Koi iBod. Yan. It worked. It cleaned our printer. Our printer working again. So this one. Yes. I'm happy. If you have clogged printer guys, this one work. It's not sponsored. I bought this. As I said earlier, $26 plus shipment, $8 something. So this one work. Printer is back. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming video ngayon, cleaning the printer. And see you in our next video. Bye-bye guys. God bless.
See you guys. Take care.
Bye, Jenny.
Bye. Take care.